What is going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video we're gonna look at 2024 BMW M4 Competition X Drive. So I have personally waited for it to get dark outside because this car looks amazing in the dark. Let's check her out. We can start right here in the most controversial area of this car, but honestly, guys, on me it has grown years ago. I actually love this design, especially on the darker colors. I think this looks very aggressive, and the cars without the big grills look kind of it look normal, it look civilian. This car does not look civilian with this grill. It looks like it's ready to go to war. It looks very aggressive, very muscular, very sporty. I love it. Now I think from all the other angles, this car does not need to be defended because it simply looks amazing. Very sleek, very sporty. Again, I was not a big fan of black BMWs after the maybe black BMW 5 series, like the old school BMW 5 series. Everything else, you know, obviously the M colors were always very attractive, but black, it looks very stealth, very Batmobile-like, and I like it. And especially the side profile, it looks amazing. Today alone, I got 3, 4, maybe even more compliments just driving around this car normally. Very, very good looking car. Yet another angle that doesn't need defending. Just look at it and love it right away. And I love so as well. Very, very good looking rear end this car's got. Alright guys, we're not gonna spend too much time on the interior, just to give you a sneak peek. It looks really cool at night. Little ambient light here, nothing super crazy. You got your cup holders there. I wish this badge was illuminated. That's kind of crazy, it's not illuminated. These seats are very comfortable. Some people are divided. Some people say the bucket seats are more comfortable than these, but I find them pretty decently comfortable. They are heated and cooled, so that's pretty cool. I'll give you a sneak peek in the back. If you got little ones, the little ones, my little one and I actually put the car seat in there today. Took a trip to the store. Pretty decent rear window. These little windows are, can't say they are extremely good for visibility's sake, but yeah, so here's the more ambient light here. These seats are pretty awesome, not gonna lie, guys. And then here's your shifter. This carbon looks really good, but the 2025's got these really good looking lights, guys. I really like this steering wheel, but again, 2025 got the flat bottom, looks amazing. And then the screens, I don't mind these screens at all, guys. I really like these screens now. Honestly, everything else looks dated now. That's what BMW does. Wireless charger, I don't know about that one. It really heats up my phone like crazy. Can't really charge it there. M1, M2 buttons, configurable. Very nice shifters. And that's it. Let's get her on the road. The car Drives very, very stiff. As you can imagine, this isn't a comfortable experience. Is it a fun experience taking very, very sharp corners? Sure it is. I took this out to some canyon roads and had plenty of fun with the car there. But then highway driving, normal street driving, I can't say this car is like the most pleasant thing to drive. So, but it depends. I've kind of had a previous Gen M4 for 3 years, and it was too stiff, so I kind of got tired of that. But then you can never get tired of this. Woo. Yeah. So I'll just show you what it can do, and then it's up to you to get whatever car you like. So I'll give you guys a couple of pulls. Very, very fast. I would only recommend purchasing this car to anyone if you literally interested in tracking this car. If you have no business tracking in the car, you don't need a full M4, M3, M car, especially these G series, because they are so stiff and so touchy. Even in the most comfort setting, it's just a track capable machine. So keep that in mind. Of course, everything's to each their own opinion and whatnot, so test drive it. Obviously, when you're about to drop almost $100,000 on the car, test drive it and see what works better for you guys. But for me, I would stick with the 5 Series, 540, awesome car, or even M340 or M440. This car looks good, sounds good, it's fast, but it's too stiff, a little too clunky. Now doesn't feel luxury to me. But hopefully you like this video, and as always, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.